Hey everyone, John Deuce at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you have an amazing day. Very fresh trade, beautiful flame red 2022 Ram 1500 Sport. It's got the sport hood. It's got nice accents for the red, right? So got the red Ram logo on there. Have the LED headlights up front, so it's blacked out housing with the LED lights. Beautiful, crisp, clear white light at night. Once you have it, it'd be hard to go back to anything else. Black grille looks really, really good. Great contrast with the red and the black. Fog lights, parking sensors. Do have some safety features too. So you get adaptive cruise control, which the radar's up front, and then you got the laser camera up top with the lane departure, so it measures your lines, and if you drift out of your lane, it'll bring you back. Take a look at the side here real quick. We'll talk about the safety features more in a moment, but beautiful black 22-inch rims. Got Ram logos all blacked out. Sport hood's a good shot of the sport hood as well too. Mirrors, door handles all red. Get the passive entry. So key in your pocket, lock the door, push the button, hand behind it, it'll unlock. Window guard deflectors. And then back here, your tail lights are all blacked out to kind of match that sport theme. Dual exhaust on the back, metal bumper. Great truck, 2-inch receiver, 7x4 plug-in, backup camera. Take a look up here. Say hello to Mark McGuire.
Sorry, I'm just standing by here watching the master at work. He is the best salesman you'll ever meet.
We're like two little ducklings walking down the street together. We just love it. Take a look in the back seat there. Huge back seat. There's a bit of an inside joke involving ducklings today. But heated rear seats on the outside. Got the flip up compartment here, so we got a little cargo tray, very handy to have. You don't have to pay extra for that. It's right there. Ram bins, and then take a look up front. Got little amber triangles in your mirror, so if someone's in your blind spot, they'll glow amber. And then if you try to merge, then you can engage a setting that once you merge, it'll chime at you as well if you miss it. Forward collision assistance, so it won't bring you to a complete stop, but if the truck thinks you're gonna rear end somebody or something, or crash into something, it'll pump the brakes and make an audible chime at you and flash on your dash to kind of pay attention. On your steering wheel on the right hand spoke there, if you will, is your cruise control, and you have your adaptive cruise control as well settings, so you can adjust your, those three lines are your how far adjusting of you'll be trailing. Heated ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Great truck, just it's got all the options that really aren't available in a lot of the new trucks right now. Love to have you come down, take a look. Just under 28,000 kilometers on it. Give me a shout on my cell, 780-952-3018. Have a fantastic day.